This is Dabu 7, an earthquake and volcano update. Yesterday, we had witnessed a 5.2 volcanic eruption strike in this region. This is the second or third time that we've witnessed this ever since the collapse of the top of the caldera. And what has happened is here within the past week or so, the caldera up here had a piece of it that was overhanging that was solid earth that I guess because so much magma, the plume ejected so much ash and soot, it had hollowed out an area that did not have support and it collapsed. The collapse itself registered a 5.2 to 5.3 magnitude earthquake in this area. Now my concern was it's kind of like putting the cork back on top of the bottle. So it's going to start to build up more pressure. And I believe we're seeing that here on the island. All these small quakes, you're seeing all that magma underground move into these hollowed out areas and continue to push the earth in different directions as it's trying to build up in this chamber before it's ejected and then it goes down. It's the same old process back and forth until this thing finally simmers down and quits with the massive activity. But this is the process of a volcano. These are how the islands continue to grow. Now, in terms of another volcano that just erupted, one on Bali, Monday night had erupted. It sent rocks and lava spewing into the air and unleashed a wave of panic across the island. Hundreds of people had to be evacuated, and this was ongoing through yesterday. I was waiting to see exactly what would come of it, if it would have any more eruptions, if it would die out, and it looks like it's starting to settle down. But in terms of volcanic eruptions around the globe, that is one of the most recent. And in terms of one that's been causing a lot of issues for the United States or for Americans has been Hawaii or anyone traveling there or visiting the region. The same areas, the estates off to the east, are still threatened by a larger eruption, but as of right now, the rest of the island pretty much safe. A lot of these winds are blowing to the southeast, and a lot of the laze that is coming up out of the ocean when this lava hits the water with the fiberglass type particles, it's being blown out into the ocean, not back onto the island. So just a quick update here. I would not be surprised if we see another mid-range 5-pointer quake strike in this area in the coming days with an eruption there. But as long as they're not getting any more devastating than that, it looks to be the norm here right now. I will update if we see anything else significant happen. This has been Dabu 7. Peace.